This is Mohammed Hassan Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is our top view, this is our front view, and this is our right side view. So in here, first of all, we'll start drawing from the top view. In the top view, we will draw this hexagonal shape. And for drawing this hexagonal shape, we can see that this hexagonal shape has a total distance of 25 unit. Okay, and after that we can see this hexagonal shape has a total extrude force of 72 unit. So from the upper direction we'll extrude force it to 22 unit, and from the lower direction we'll extrude force it to 35 plus 15 unit. Okay, let's go back to our sketch. So I'm selecting the top plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it, then I'm selecting the polygon tool from here, and in the polygon tool I'm placing it here and drawing a hexagon. And after drawing this hexagon, I'm selecting the smart dimension tool from here and dimension it to 25 unit. So dimension it to 25 unit. So after dimensioning, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to, as a total, it has a total extrude boss of 72 unit, but in the upper direction we will extrude boss it to 22 unit. Select this blind. Okay, now select direction 2. In the direction 2 we'll extrude boss it to 35 plus 15 unit. Now press OK. So this portion has been done quite well. Now let's get back to our SolidWorks sketch. So in our sketch, next we will draw this triangular shape, or you can say trapezoidal shape. And for drawing this shape, we can see it has a here to here total distance of 50 unit. But if we look in the top plane, from this middle point to here, it has a distance of 25 unit. So along this 22 line distance, we'll draw a horizontal line here, and this horizontal line has a total distance of 50 unit, and from this midpoint to here it will have a distance of 25 unit. After that I will draw a vertical line, and this vertical line has a distance of 35 unit. Then after that I will draw an incline line from here, as here it is 45 degree angle, this also is the 45 degree angle. Okay, after that I will draw another horizontal line here, then I will trim all the extra line. Okay, after that we will extrude boss it to 50 unit. If we look back to here, it has a total extrude boss of 50 unit. Okay, after this portion has been done, we can say we have another circular cut here, and this circular cut is M4 0.7, and this is our tolerance of, okay, and it has a distance of 17.5 unit. But as here we can see this is the dotted line, and this dotted line is referring to this line. So as the total distance is 7.5 unit, for also here to here the distance will be 7.5 divided by 2 unit. Okay, and later on we can see we have another cut here, trapezoidal cut. And for drawing this trapezoidal cut, I'll take a midpoint line from here to here, and this midpoint line has a dimension of 32 unit. Then I'll take another vertical line of 7.5 unit, and from that I'll draw another midpoint line and draw two incline line. As the incline line, we can see incline line has a dimension of 78 unit. So here to here the dimension will be 180 minus 78. Okay, so let's go back to our SolidWorks. So I'm selecting the right plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. After that I'm selecting the line tool from here and drawing a horizontal line along this origin, and this line has a dimension of 50 unit. Okay, as this has been done, now we need to dimension from this origin midpoint to this point. It has a distance of 25 unit, so dimension it to 25 unit. So our this portion has been done quite well. Now again select the line tool, and this time draw a vertical line of 35 units, so dimension it to 35 unit. Then I will select the line tool from here and draw an incline line, and this incline line will have a dimension of 40 degree angle. So it will have a dimension of 45 degree angle. So this portion also has been done. Now we need to close the shape, and for that I'm selecting again the line tool and drawing a horizontal line. So this horizontal line has been done. Now select the trim interest to trim the unnecessary line that we don't need. So I'm trimming the unnecessary line that we don't need. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 50 unit. So I'm using it to 50 unit from the mid plane. Now press OK. So this portion has been done quite well. Now it's time for the circular cut here. For that, I'm selecting the hole widget from here, and here we will selecting the asymmetry stepped hole, and this one, and this has a hole widget of M for 0.7. So I'm selecting M for 0.7 and making it to through all both. Now select to position, now I am selecting orientation and selecting this side of orientation, and now 3D sketch and placing the circle here. And now select the expand dimension tool, and from here to here we can see it has a distance of 17.5 units. So it has a distance of 17.5 unit, and here to here the distance will be 7.5 unit divided by 2. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to now press OK. Now press OK. So our cut has been done. Now isometric again for better view. Now select this top plane. Now sketch, because we need to cut a trapezoidal cut here, and for that I'm selecting the midpoint line tool from here and placing it to the middle and drawing a line of 32 units. So the half distance will be 32 divided by 2. Okay, after that I'm selecting the center line and drawing a center line of 7.5 units. So drawing a center line of 7.5 unit. Now select the smart dimension tool and dimension to 32 unit. Now press OK. Now again I'm selecting another middle point line tool and drawing another horizontal line. Okay, we have drawn this horizontal line. Now select the line tool from here and drawn an incline line. So this there has been incline line has drawn, as this is 78 degree angle. So here will be 180 minus 72 degrees. So it's my dimension here to here. The angle will be 180 minus 78 unit. Okay, so I'm selecting the mirror entities, and entities to mirror I want to mirror this line, and mirror about I want to mirror about this center line. Now press OK. So all the line has been drawn. Now select the trim entities and trim this line, and now press OK. So our this portion has been done quite well. Now I isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now is to cut. Now is to cut it to through all. So I am still cutting it through all. Now press OK. So our this portion has been done quite well. Now it's time for doing the fillets, and for that we can, if we go back to our sketch here, we can see here we have a fillet of radius 4, and all the corners here all the 5 6 hexagon side we have a radius fillet of 2 unit. Okay, so I'm going to give this radius fillet. For that I'm selecting the fillet tools from here, and now dimension it to 4 unit, and now select this line edge. Now press OK again and select the fillet tools from here, and now dimension it to 2 unit, and select all the edges of the hexagon. So in the upper side I'm selecting all the 6 edges of the hexagon. Again rotate this and select all the lower side of the edges of the hexagon. Now press OK. So all the side fillet has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now let's go back to a sketch. In our sketch we can see we have this inner circular cut, and this inner circular cut has a diameter of 88 unit, and it is through all. And then we can see we have this outer circle, and this outer circle has a diameter of 12 unit and has a stud cut of 2 unit. And then we have some small stud cut hole, and this stud cut hole we have 6 stud cut hole that are M2.2, and it has 0.5 M2.2 0.45, and it has a through all of 4 unit. Okay, so here we don't have M2.3, so we're going to use the M2.2 here. If you find out the M2.3, you can use the M2.3. Okay, so let's go back to our SolidWorks. So I'm selecting this upper face, and now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the circle tool from here and draw a circle of 12 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now to go to features, now is to cut, and now I'm going to cut it to 2 units. So that I'm selecting the blind tool from here and dimension it to 2 unit. Now press OK. After that, again select this inner face. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Then select the circle tool from here and draw a circle of 8 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut, and now extrude cut it to through all. Both I am selecting extrude cut it to through all both. Now press OK. So this portion has been done. Now it's time for the final hole wizard, and for that I am selecting the hole wizard tools from here, and this time I'm selecting the 2. Here I cannot say 2.3, so I'm selecting the 2.2 from here, and it has a extrude cut of 4 units, so I'm dimensioning it to 4 unit. Extrude cut it of 4 unit here. Now go to position. Now select 3D position, and here if we zoom in, if we hover along this circle line, we can see the previous circle origin. So place all the circle to the previous circle origin. So placing all the circle to the previous circle origin. Same way, also hover the mouse to the this circular fillet and place the circle to cut the previous circle origin. Now the final one, in the same way, place them to previous circle origin. Now press OK. So we can see all of our features has been done. So as you can see, we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.